Hey guys, I'm Leslie. Welcome to today's video. Right now we're in the middle of remodeling our bathroom and we just have one of those basic mirrors that hang against the wall, and I really wanted to spruce it up and make it look super awesome. So I happened across some fellow YouTubers' Instagram account, Phil and Alex, and I absolutely loved what I saw in the background. So I reached out to them. They didn't know where it came from, so my husband, who is super crafty, came up with an awesome idea, and it's definitely share worthy. So I wanted to show you guys how to do this, and so we're just going to get right into it. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and definitely like this video. Alright, well, let's get to it. Alright, so to begin with, we bought some cedar planks that are used for fencing, and as you can see, they were super inexpensive, so that's the best part about this whole thing. And I'm using a wire brush here, and I'm just going along and I'm just sanding off the top part of it because I'm wanting to bring out the grain of the wood. As you can see here, I'm starting to bring it out compared to what it was before, because I'm really going to want to make this just look kind of, rough and rustic, and so I end up going across the whole board. So here I attached a handle, so I am really pressing down now. I've already went over the whole board one time, but now look at how pretty that grain looks. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Alright, so next up, I decided to burn the wood. At first I wanted to use a gel stain. I couldn't make up my mind, but I decided, you know what, I'm going to burn this wood. And so I had this little blowtorch thing here, and it was taking quite a bit of time, I thought, to do this. And so my husband had the best idea, and he pulled out the big guns. This is like a leaf burner. And he just torched these boards up for me like super fast, but this was such a great way to get this done quickly. Okay, so next up here, now that I've burned it, or actually now that my husband's burnt it, I am just using the wire brush again, and I'm just sanding off the top part of that so I can just really show the pretty wood underneath. I'm just kind of taking off that char. Obviously that was just a little too dark, but now I'm just taking this back off, and oh my goodness, I absolutely love how the grain looks. You're gonna love it. This is a super messy job. Oh my goodness, my wedding ring! Oh my goodness, this is turning out so gorgeous. So next up, we are just splitting the board in two because it's going to be the top and the bottom of the mirror. And look at my really hard job here. I'm just holding the wood again so it doesn't get off center. And then we had to go back and we had to burn the sides in order, because we didn't want to leave that unfinished. So we had to go back and burn the sides after you cut it down the middle. Okay, and earlier I had went up and I measured the mirror, and now I'm just cutting it the correct length to go across the mirror. And at this point, it has been a long day. I'm getting a little crazy. Okay, and up next, I'm using the router, and I'm just making myself like a little beveled edge underneath in order for it to sit flat against the wall because of the lip of the mirror. And so as you can see it right here, and I'll tell you what, I did not enjoy using this router. Okay, and so here I decided to finish it off with some Thompson water seal. I figured since it's going to be around the mirror that, you know, where you're washing your hands and splashing, that this would help protect it. So we're in the middle of remodeling this bathroom, and there's like little paint specks all over this mirror. So I'm using a little razor blade, and I'm just kind of using some cleaner and getting this mirror all cleaned up so we can apply our new frame. I'm so excited. And so to apply it, I'm just using some liquid nails and running that across the back, and then I'm just going to press that against the wall and just use a few brad nails to help hold it up. Me and this nail gun were not friends. Just be careful when you're using the nail gun that you do not hit the glass, or otherwise you're going to shatter your mirror. I really love how it turned out. It's exactly what I was hoping for. Oh my goodness, I think the grain in the wood looks so pretty. And if you're interested in seeing what the entire bathroom looks like, come back next week because I'm going to be showing the entire bathroom, because there's actually another little part to this bathroom over here, and we did also do the mirror in that room. And so if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.